Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use the keyframe feature on CapCut PC. So let's get started. So here we are in CapCut PC, and from here we have our video right here. So we'll be importing this into our timeline so that we can use the keyframe features right here. So you want to select your clip wherein you want to use a keyframe. So we have a lot of options right here on which you can use keyframe. We have the scale, position, rotate, blend, opacity, and so on. We also have it here in the adjustment. You can also adjust the color, the brightness, and so on. You can also keyframe it so that it would be animated on how bright the image is or the video is. So you can use it right here. So how do we do that? So first, select your clip, and then from here, let's say you want to animate your position. So you want to use the keyframe. So you want to put the playhead at the beginning, and then you want to add a keyframe right there. So this would mean that at the beginning, this would be the position. And when you move your playhead into a certain time wherein you want the animation to finish, let's say right here, it should finish by this position right here. So when I play it back, it would be like this. It would gradually move this until it reaches this keyframe this time of the video right here. So yeah, that is basically it. And then you can also use it for a scale. Let's say we want it to also scale. So at the beginning, it will be 100%. Right here, add a keyframe, and then as it reaches here, it should be, let's go smaller, opposite this time. So let's go for 50 right here as it reaches this point, and now it will be like this. It will be gradually scaling down as it positions itself right here in the keyframe. So yeah, that is basically how you can use keyframe to the other features as well. Thank you for watching.